Meaning ASMR. A video of a lady speaking softly into a camera has gone viral, with millions of people watching it. Nothing she accomplishes is really noteworthy. She only mutters in a sweet voice and gestures irrationally. But it has captured the attention of millions. One may wonder, what the heck is going on, if they were just introduced to this occurrence. To enter the ASMR universe, you must first know what it is: autonomous sensory meridian response. In one corner of the internet, thousands of video producers film themselves doing anything as basic as whispering to sophisticated sci-fi roleplays, and constructing narratives involving time travel and demons, and millions of viewers chew it all up. Let me break it down for you as one of those dedicated watchers. Describe ASMR. People experience ASMR when they engage in or watch stimulating films or activities, most often those that entail being paid close attention to. People often say they have tingles up and down their spines and backs. Some people report that this sensation is quite calming and puts them to sleep. Despite the seemingly scientific connotations of the word ASMR, there is in fact little empirical evidence to support the claim. Jennifer Allen, who created a Facebook page for the purpose of exploring the concept, is credited with coining the word in 2010. Since individuals now had a word to describe the good sensation they'd been having, the name spread rapidly.